Day 7. A boost of oxytocin, the love hormone, or the love chemical. As you're aware, every day, going deeper into hypnosis, into relaxation, just gazing upon the same item you gazed upon yesterday, focusing deeper. And as you begin to breathe in now, focus even deeper as you breathe out and let go. That's right, keeping your focus and intention on that one space, that one object, allowing you to go deeper as you breathe in. When you breathe out, letting go and really feeling that deep level of trance beginning to draw over your mind and your body. And as you stay completely and fully focused, taking a final deep breath in, hold that breath, and when you breathe out, shutting your eyes, letting go, and completely relaxing into trance. As you allow yourself to drift, float and sink deeper into hypnosis, can you imagine what it would be like if you were just floating down a still, calm river, swaying side to side, completely relaxed and in trance. And can you imagine that 3-step hypnotic staircase in front of you again? Because as you imagine that 3-step hypnotic staircase, every number I count down from 3, you will relax deeper and deeper. Starting with 3, can you feel yourself falling deeper into hypnosis? 2, how does it feel to be in trance now as you go down to 1 and you are completely and fully relaxed now? And I just want you to make any minor adjustments in your body, in your breathing, maybe in your mind, before we allow that love and oxytocin into your body. That's right, you may feel a twitch, a shiver, a shake. Just let anything go that you don't need to hold on to anymore. And just like yesterday's meditation and hypnosis tape, can you find the generous present moment by focusing on that blackness, disconnecting from your body, and just feeling that energy all around you? How relaxed do you now feel going into hypnosis even deeper? You are sitting there with your eyes closed, breathing deeply, completely relaxed now. And you may begin to feel a sense of peace and calm. And all I want you to do is to realize how powerful oxytocin really is. As I said at the start, oxytocin is just the love hormone or the love chemical that is released in our body when we feel that feeling of love. So all I want you to do is just think back to a time in your life where you completely just felt that feeling of love. Maybe it was a friend, a parent, a child, a sibling, a dog, a cat, a pet, maybe even for yourself. Now, it doesn't matter what you're thinking, but all that matters is that you now begin to focus on what it felt like at that moment in time. Put yourself back in that place. What can you see? What can you hear? What can you smell? What can you taste? And what can you feel? Maybe the clothes on your back, the words going through your mind, how in love you are, how happy you are, how grateful you are. Intensely focus on how it feels to be loved. And as you focus on being loved, if your mind wanders away, just bring yourself back to this exact moment in time. As for the rest of this meditation, I'm going to be silent and just let you be love. Just let you feel love now. And as we bring today's hypnosis and meditation to an end, just feeling those last drips of love within you and all around you. Taking a deep breath in. When you breathe out, opening your eyes, feeling the best you've ever felt. Spreading that love to those you care about, spreading that love to yourself, and taking on your day from a state of love and being love. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.